For years, closed-source models like OpenAI's GPT series have cast a long shadow, dominating the AI landscape. But that narrative just violently shifted. On June 16, 2026, Z.ai, a name you might not yet recognize, unleashed an open-weights AI called GLM-5.2 that hasn't just challenged the established order, it has fundamentally rewritten the rules. This is a seismic event. Just days ago, Z.ai dropped a bombshell. Their new open-weights model, GLM-5.2, was formally announced, and its immediate impact was staggering. This model didn't just compete with OpenAI's latest flagship, GPT-5.5. It decisively surpassed it on multiple critical long-horizon coding benchmarks. And here's the kicker. GLM 5.2 achieves this superior performance at an astonishing 1/6 the cost of running GPT 5.5. Better performance, radically cheaper. This isn't a theoretical edge, it's a practical, accessible revolution. Let's dive into the numbers because this is where the story gets even more compelling. On SwiBench Pro, the industry-standard benchmark for complex coding, GLM 5.2 scored an impressive 62.1%. For context, GPT 5.5 managed 58.6%, and Z.ai's previous iteration, GLM 5.1, came in at 58.4%, a significant leap. On Frontier Swi, another robust coding evaluation, GLM 5.2 hit 74.4%, outperforming GPT 5.5 at 72.6% and trailing only slightly behind Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.8, which scored 75.1%. And the dominance isn't confined. GLM 5.2 also outscored GPT 5.5 on MCP Atlas, 77.0% versus 75.3%. And critically, on Humanity's Last Exam with Tools, a benchmark assessing broad complex problem-solving, GLM 5.2 led with 54.7%, compared to GPT 5.5's 52.2%. These aren't just marginal gains. They showcase broad, consistent superiority across challenging coding scenarios. The immediate implications are clear. OpenAI and Anthropic, the titans of closed-source AI, are now under unprecedented pressure. Their premium proprietary models have just been outmatched by a competitor that is not only faster and smarter in key areas, but also significantly cheaper and openly available. For developers, this is a game changer. You no longer need exorbitant API costs or usage limitations to access cutting-edge coding AI performance. This breakthrough democratizes advanced AI. Smaller teams, independent developers, and agile startups can now deploy sophisticated AI agents into their software development workflows without the prohibitive financial barriers that once limited access. This accelerates innovation across the entire ecosystem, leveling the playing field. This moment isn't just about Z.ai or GLM 5.2. It profoundly strengthens the entire open-source AI movement. It unequivocally proves that open models can not only compete but decisively surpass closed-source giants in critical, real-world applications. Over the next 3 to 6 months, expect an explosion of competition and innovation, especially in cost-efficient AI solutions. Every major player will be scrambling to adapt. But the truly overlooked aspect, the one most people are missing, is the long-term impact on enterprise AI adoption. By dramatically lowering the barrier to entry for top-tier AI capabilities, GLM 5.2 makes powerful AI tools accessible to a much broader market, transforming how businesses of all sizes approach digital transformation and product development. This isn't just a win for open source, it's a win for progress itself. The era of undisputed closed-source dominance in AI is over. GLM 5.2 has thrown down the gauntlet, and the industry will never be the same. The future of AI is now measurably more open, more accessible, and profoundly more competitive. For continuous in-depth analysis of these groundbreaking shifts, make sure to subscribe to AI Pulse for daily AI coverage.